Good morning, children. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we discussed that is the exercise number 4.3 till 7th problem, right? So, today we are going to solve that one, 8th one, okay? So, up to 7th one, I solved in the last class only. So, now I am going to solve the 8th problem, exercise number 4.3. Exercise number 4.3. Eighth one. What is the eighth question? Read properly. Okay. In a countries like a USA and Canada, temperature is measured in a Fahrenheit. Okay. Where in countries like India, it is measured in a Celsius. Okay. In our country, we are measuring a temperature in a Celsius. But in countries like USA and Canada, in that we are measuring in a Fahrenheit. I hope everyone know about the Fahrenheit as well as the Celsius. That will come at a physics in science. Okay, sir also told these like problems. Okay, so here they given, and here is a linear equation that converts the Fahrenheit into Celsius. What is the linear equation? That is nothing but F is equal to 9 by 5 C plus 32. Okay, conversion of a Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius. You used this formula in science subject, right? So that is only linear equation we are taking here. So first one is what is the first question here? Draw the graph of the linear equation and using a Celsius for the x-axis and Fahrenheit for the y-axis. Okay, you have to draw here graph here. Okay. So this is a x-axis, is nothing but a Celsius which we have to take here. Okay, minus x here y, and okay, that is y dash, here x dash it is. X-axis is nothing but a Fahrenheit we have to take degree. Okay, so now find the values first. That is, so instead of taking I am x and y, I am taking a Celsius and Fahrenheit only. Okay, if C is 0, what is the value of Fahrenheit? That is a 32. Okay, so if F is 0, what is the value of Celsius? If F is 0, 0 equated to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Take plus 32 this side, will become minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 C, and C is equal to minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. Okay, so here 5 2s are 10, 1 left, 5 3s are 5, 3s are 15. 15 plus 1 is 160 divided by 9. Now divide 160 by 9. That is 9 1s are 9, here 5 left, 9 5s are 45, and 0 here, again point 0, 9 5s are, you will get the same answer only. So it is nothing but a minus 15.5. Okay, so here it will be a minus 15.5. So if Fahrenheit is 0 degree, then it is equated to Celsius. In Celsius, that is a minus 15.5 Celsius. Okay, so we got two coordinate points here. Now plot the graph for that one. So for here we are having a minus 15.5 and x-axis is nothing but a minus value. So I am taking a unities, that is a x-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Okay, and y-axis is also 1 centimeter is equal to 5 units. I am taking. Okay, so we have taken 0, 0. This one is a 5, 10, 15, and 20. Here also 5, 10, 15, 20. And here minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. And here also minus 5, minus 10, minus 15. Okay. Now first 0 and 32. In Fahrenheit we want a 32 answer, right? So again extend this one. Okay, line. You will get here 20, 25 till 30 you have to extend. 20, 25, this one 30, and here 35. Okay, y-axis. So 35 means 0 and 32. 32 means here 30 is there, here 35. Here in between 30 and 35 you will get 32 value. Okay, so this value is a 0, 32. Next minus 15.5. 15.5 is somewhere here. Okay. So this is a minus 15.5 comma 0. Minus 15.5 comma 0, this point. Now join these 2 points. I'll write here minus 15.5 comma 0, this point. Okay. So now this join these 2 points. This is the graph of the equation f is equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. So okay, so this line is representing the given equation, that is f is equal to 9 by 5 into c plus 32. That is representing this given linear equation. That is the first answer. In 8 May, this is the first question answer. Okay. Now go for the second one. What is the second one? Second one. Read the second question. What they given second question? In second question here, if the temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit? Means Celsius be given as a 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, so temperature is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. You have to find this value in a Fahrenheit. Okay, Fahrenheit. So right here Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 into Celsius plus 32. So substitute the value of Celsius here. What is the Celsius value? That is a 30 plus 32. Now simplify. This is a 5 and the 5 6 are. 9 6 are 54 plus 32, that is equal to 6, 86. Okay. So right here, therefore, when temperature is 30 degrees Celsius, then temperature in a Fahrenheit is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. When temperature is in a Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius, at that time the temperature in Fahrenheit is 86 degree Fahrenheit. That is the answer. Okay. Like this you have to convert. You all this one did in a science subject only. Okay. You know this one already. Okay. Now go for the third question. If the temperature is a 95 Fahrenheit, 95 degree Fahrenheit, what is the temperature in a Celsius? I am doing directly. Okay. Hope everyone know this one. Third one. Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. Fahrenheit is 95 here. So here 9 by 5 Celsius plus 32. Take this Celsius minus 32 here. That is 9 by 5 Celsius. This will become a 3. Here 9 minus 3 is 6. That is equal to 9 by 5 C. And C is equal to 63 into 5 divided by 9. Okay. 9 ones are 9 sevens are. That is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. So if in Fahrenheit that is a 95 degree, then in Celsius it will become a 35 degrees Celsius. Okay. Like this we have to do. Now go for the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Read fourth one. If the temperature, okay, if the temperature is a 0 degree Celsius, and what is the temperature in a Fahrenheit, and if the temperature is a 0 Fahrenheit, then what is the temperature in a Celsius? Substitute both 0 0 and write. We already did when we are plotting the graph. Okay, in first main only we did this one, fourth one. When write fourth problem answer. When 0 degree Celsius temperature in Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Okay. When 0 degree Fahrenheit temperature in a Celsius is minus 15.5 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the answer. We already did in a first main only. Next, fifth one. Is there any temperature which is numerically the same in the both Fahrenheit and Celsius? Yes, of course, both are same. Why? See. That is the fifth one. That is for a minus 40 degree. See here. We know that formula F is equal to 9 by 5. C is equal to C plus, sorry. Here 32, right? So Celsius, Fahrenheit is also minus 40 degree and Celsius is also minus 40 degree plus 32. We want answer as a minus 40 only. If both are equal, then only we can say at this temperature the Fahrenheit and Celsius both are having a same values. Okay. So now do the simplification. Here into minus 40 plus 32, that is 5 is a 5 is a minus 72 plus 32. What is the answer? Minus 40 and here also minus 40. Both are equal, right? Therefore, right. Therefore, at minus 40 degree, both Celsius and Fahrenheit are same. Okay? Both are same. Next, we completed the exercise number 4.3 now. Now, we'll go to the next one is we are having a concept that is the equations of a lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, equation of a lines that parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Example 9 they given. Observe the example 9, that is a solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. It represents the solutions on the number line and the Cartesian plane. Okay. So we can solve that is x is equal to minus 4 is a okay. Equation of sorry, which one that is, what is the heading here? Equation of a lines parallel to x and y axis. Equation of a lines parallel to x axis and y axis. Equation of a lines parallel to x axis and y axis. Okay, so here see, that is a solve the equation 2x plus 1 and x 1. See here, if it is x is equal to is there. If it is x equal to 5, x equal to 6, x equal to 7, whatever it may be, okay, that is always the equation of a x axis. It is the equation of a line which is parallel to x axis. It is always, see here, x is equal to 5. How we will represent that one? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the x is equal to 5, right? So x is equal to 5 here. X is equal to 5 means that is the line and it is parallel to which axis? It is parallel to y axis. Therefore, it is parallel to y axis. If y is equal to 2, see here. If y is equal to 2 means this is a 1, 2 and here 1, 2 like that. Okay. Y is equal to 2 means we'll mark like this. Y is equal to 2, this one, right? So y is equal to 2 means it is always parallel to which line? It is always parallel to x axis. Okay. So if it is a x is equal to, then it is a always parallel to y axis. If it is a y is equal to, equation is having a y value, then it is always parallel to x axis. Opposite it will parallel. Okay, see here, this is a parallel line. Here also, here x, y axis is there. So these are the parallel lines. It is parallel to this y axis. Okay. So next, Go for the exercise number 1 4.4. So go for the exercise number 4.4. In that first question, what is the first question here? Give the geometric representations of a y is equal to 3 as an equation in a one variable and in a two variable. Okay. So that is nothing but how to do this one. Give a geometric representations of a x of a y is equal to 3 as an equation in a one variable and in a two variables. 4.4. Okay, we'll do. Exercise number 4.4. Start the exercise number 4.4. If these two problems over, then end of the fourth chapter it is. In next class, we'll start the fifth chapter. Okay. So now solve the 4.4. That is first main. So y is equal to 3 they given. You have to represent, geometric represent is something but you have to plot the graph here. Okay. So that is in a, first one is a one variable and second one is in a two variables. Okay. So first one variable means it is a y is equal to 3 only having a one variable. So now represent here, that is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Only write a number line because it is having a only one variable, right? Write a only number line. Don't draw that x-axis and y-axis here. Okay. So y is equal to 3 means here. This is a y is equal to 3. Like that we have to represent. This is in a one variable. Now for the two variable. For the two variable you need to draw a graph. This is x, y, x dash and y dash. Okay. So y is equal to 3 can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y, that is equal to 3. Coefficient of a y is 1, coefficient of a x is 0, that is equal to 3 here. Okay. So now the values are, how the values are there here. This is a 0, 0 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So here values are, if x is equal to, already it is 0 only is there. Okay. So it is always be a 0 only. X is always 0. Okay. So that is nothing but here 0, 3 like that, and all are 0, 3 only. So here 0, 3 is here, right? So make a line here like this. These all are the x-axis is 0 and it is always parallel to the which one? Which is always parallel to the x-axis. This is the representation of this y is equal to 3 here. Okay. Next go for the second problem. Similarly, another one problem they given here. Second one. Do the second problem. What is the given second one here? That is a 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay. In one variable means x is equal to, we can find, that is a minus 9 by 2. Minus 2 4s are minus 4.5 equal. Okay. So now draw graph here. Sorry. In one variable means there is no need to draw both axes. Only draw number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That is a minus 4.5, minus 4, and here minus 5. Somewhere we will get a here. This point is represent the x is equal to minus 4.5 in two variable. Next, this is the first question answer. Next, second one. Two variable means we need to draw a graph. Okay. Here 0, 0 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay. So they told x is equal to minus 4.5. Okay. So here we will get a value minus 4.5 and draw a line through that point. It is always parallel to y-axis. This is the representation of this 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, on the graph in a 2 variable. Okay, so next one. So we completed both the main problems in a 4.4. Okay, so even we completed this chapter also. What are the summary they given? Read it yourself. That is an equation of the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and such that a and b are not both 0 is called as the linear equation in a 2 variables. A linear equation in a 2 variables has infinitely many solutions. The graph of every linear equation in a 2 variable is straight line. X is equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis and y is equal to 0 is the equation of the x-axis. The graph of x is equal to a is a straight line parallel to the y-axis. The graph of y is equal to a is a straight line parallel to the x-axis. An equation of the type y is equal to mx represents the line passing through the origin. And every point on the graph of a linear equation in a 2 variable is a solution of their linear equation. Moreover, every solution of the linear equation is a point on the graph of the linear equation. Okay, so these are the some summary points they given. So fourth chapter completed now. In the next class we'll begin with that is the fifth chapter. Okay, homework is solve this exercise number 4.3 as well as the 4.4 in your HW. That is a homework for you. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone.